Hi, welcome to our VB Developing channel. Hope everyone is well. Today we are here with a new video. In this video we will discuss about asynchronous programming. So let's get started. Asynchronous programming is a programming paradigm that enables the execution of non-blocking concurrent operations. It allows a program to perform multiple tasks seemingly simultaneously, without waiting for each operation to complete before moving on to the next one. Asynchronous programming is particularly useful for tasks that involve waiting for external resources, such as reading or writing to files, making network requests, or dealing with user input. In Python, the Async module provides a framework for asynchronous programming. It introduces the concept of coroutines, which are special types of functions that can be paused and resumed, allowing other tasks to run in the meantime. Now we will know about asynchronous functions. In asynchronous programming, functions can be defined using the async def as syntax. These functions return an asynchronous generator object and can contain await expressions, which yield control back to the event loop while waiting for some asynchronous operation to complete. Alright, let's see some example. Alright, in this example, the example async function sleeps for 2 seconds using asyncio sleep, allowing other tasks to run concurrently during the waiting period. Let's execute it. As you can see here, first start and after 2 seconds end the function. Now we will know about event loop. An event loop is a crucial component in asynchronous programming. It manages the execution of asynchronous tasks and ensures that each task gets a chance to run. Python's Asyncio module provides an event loop that you can use. Alright, let's see an example. Let's see here, in this example, asyncio.gather is used to run multiple tasks concurrently. The event loop ensures that the tasks are executed asynchronously. So let's execute it. As you can see here, let's see another example. Let's see here, in this example, the task coroutine simulates a task that takes a certain duration using asyncio.sleep. The main coroutine creates a list of tasks and uses asyncio.gather to execute them concurrently. The asyncio run statement runs the event loop and executes the coroutines. Let's execute it. Here you can see the output. Now we will discuss about asyncio coroutine. Asyncio provides coroutines that can be used to perform asynchronous operations. The async with statement is commonly used with resources that need to be acquired and released asynchronously. Let's see the example. Alright, in this example, Async resource is an asynchronous context manager. The async with statement ensures that the resource is acquired and released asynchronously. Let's execute it. Here you can see the output. Now we will know the conclusion. Asynchronous programming in Python allows you to write concurrent code that can efficiently handle I/O-bound operations. It improves the responsiveness of your program by enabling other tasks to run while waiting for external resources. The Asyncio module is a powerful tool for implementing asynchronous programming patterns in Python. Friends, our video for today was up to this. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel. And don't forget to like the video. See you in the next video. Thank you.